We live in a world where it's easy to judge, to compete, and to stay divided. Every day, we see conflicts in the news, arguments on social media, and people who forget how powerful a simple act of kindness can be. Yet, kindness is one of the most powerful forces we have. Kindness doesn't require wealth, status, or fame. It only needs a willing heart. It could be as simple as listening to someone who feels unheard, sharing what little you have, or offering a genuine smile to brighten someone's day. One small act of kindness may not change the entire world, but it can change someone's world. When we choose kindness, we choose connection over division, compassion over judgment, and hope over fear. In a time when the world seems filled with hate and noise, kindness becomes an act of quiet rebellion, a reminder that humanity still has a heart. So today, I challenge you. Be kind, even when it's hard. Be kind, even when no one else is. Because kindness is more than an action. It's a light that spreads from one person to another until the whole world shines a little brighter. I hope that this message helps you to be kind. Thank you.